What's up? Hey, I got a question for you. How's the front of my truck look? Wow. A chicken jumped out off the side of the road right in front of me.
I see it.
Look at this, a damn chicken on the side of the road. Keep your chickens in the yard. A chicken?
A chicken.
Yeah. Look at that.
Busted your grill out. Holy cow.
Yeah, a chicken was on the side of the road and just decided to jump out right in front of me. Wow. All right, so that's my intro. Welcome back to the channel, Wake Up and Rage. You know, I was supposed to come out here to Watermelon Pond to go fishing. Instead, I end up with a chicken in my grill that turns out to still be alive, and it just popped out. You just seen it, but that's the intro. It's what I don't even know, man. I need to get a fish. Yeah, I caught something already, so yeah, I'm up on you by one, I guess. Oh, that's crazy. That's wild. We're out here at Watermelon Pond, out here with Jim again. If you've never been here, it's in Newberry, Florida. If you want to catch bass, it's a tough fishery. If you like punching, it's a really good spot for it and everything. It's got really thick hydrilla, whole lot of lily pads, everything. But there's not much competition for the bass out here. It's pretty much just bass and little tiny baby bass and brim, stuff like that.
Let's go over there when we finished up.
Yeah, all the way on the other side. Yeah, we can do that. So we're gonna start off by going straight to the back of this place, and then I don't know. We're gonna just start punching the hydrilla, try to find some holes, find some fish, hopefully. But that's pretty much the plan. Top water fishing and punching. I only brought 3 poles with me because all my other ones are too light to come out here. If you're coming out here, you want a heavy setup or something, you know, because you're gonna be punching or top water with a frog. I showed you how that works, right?
Yeah, you showed me how you can buy. Oh no, yeah, you showed me that. Yes.
Yeah, that thing's
How it sets that hook, turns that hook into their, up into them.
Yeah, that thing's awesome. I'm gonna do a video where I teach people how to do that.
That's a good idea. Do some of your off time to.
Yeah. Yeah, I don't know how deep that hole is. Yeah, I don't know if y'all can see it, but for the most part, this water out here is pretty clear. It's almost crystal clear for the most part, except for some areas out here it gets a little dirtier. So that's another thing that makes it kind of tough to fish here. You see it from 1,000 miles away. It's moving that way. Man, you see that? Big one just jumped over there. Probably about 60 foot that way. There's some carp there. Some carp. Yeah, a little tiny carp. That might have been a bass. Pretty sure. Carp. I don't know. Hard to tell. You just swam right under that hole. Oh my God, that's like a 5-6 pounder right there. I swear. Oh, he's right here. Look at him. He's right there. See him? That thing's big. He's right there. He just ran from it down there in that grass. Oh man, that's a good bass right there. Oh man, that's a good one. That's bigger than the one we seen earlier. Oh man, I gotta get this thing. Oh yeah, I'd be trying to get it, that's for sure. All right, yep, we're about to move. We just seen a big old, at least 6-pounder just come cruising through here, just seen it, but couldn't get it to bite. So we're moving, going to the back, pulling up this here trolling motor so we can get out of here. They're harassing us everywhere. They're jumping all over the place. Ooh, there's a good one there. About a 3-pounder right here. He's under the pad right there. He's looking at that side of the pad. So hit right over there where those little isolated ones are. He's looking right at that. A little bit further, but yeah, he's right next to where he just threw in. Yeah, I see him down there. He just turned around. He's probably checking your stuff out. I've seen his tail. I'm gonna hit it up a little bit further out that way and bring it back. We'll see if we can get this one. That's about a 2-3 pounder. Get this hot drill off of this trolling motor real quick. I can't even believe that. It got stuck in my grill and survived, and then we got it out of there and it comes just running off, just rah!
I thought it was screaming Blade Runner.
Jeez. Yeah, I mean, it looks perfect, but little do you know unless you come out here and you know it's a tough fishery. We'll do this. Try throwing a worm in this little hole here. See if I can have some luck with that. Where's my worm? I beat the hell out of your boat with my damn weight. Yeah, me too.
Just like the street lights lit this town, like a fire in a blaze, gotta burn it down. Can't be afraid to leave this out. We got this far, don't know.
Yeah, we're out here. We're getting whooped. We haven't even had a bite yet, but We just went back to the very back and hit this hole. We think it's the one that never dried up, blah, 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 but real dirty water, probably not very oxygenated. So we moved back over here to the other side. We're gonna try this grass line on the way back in. Yeah, because we got storms rolling in, all that. I got ribs to go cook, so, you know, this man's got a life too, you know, so, yeah. Yeah, horses to haul. You hear the man. So you know, this is one thing I'm gonna show you. Right here. This is my punching setup. 1 ounce weight, got a peg with 2 bobber stops, or pegs, whatever you call it, whatever you want to call it. Got her with the choke cart, got the keeper on there. Destroying my bait right now, but yep. 1 ounce weight, peg, put a bead under there, make some more noise. And then you tie a snell knot. And when you put that snell knot on there, when this weight hits it, look at that. Look at that action. Kicks that hook right up into their mouth. You want to use a straight shank hook though. I'll show you how to set it up later, in a later video. You gotta stay tuned for that one. Where we were. Like playing hide and seek or something. This place used to be, you know, every time I hear stories about people coming out here, like, yeah, we all, you know, we got a watermelon pond, just tear them up. Like, y'all must be going to Cantaloupe Pond or something, you know. I'm over at Watermelon, y'all at Cantaloupe. Hop down, I'll just stop it so we don't mess up the bottom. Cool. How's the front of my truck look? Out off the side of the road right in front of me.
I see it.
Look at this, a damn chicken on the side of the road. Keep your chickens in the yard.
Holy cow.
Yeah, a chicken was on the side of the road and just decided. I had an owl fly down one night and right in front of me. You know, I was going around the curve and it was at night. I was on my way home from work, you know, about a couple years ago. I'm going around the curve and, you know, my lights hit something. I see something in the middle of the road. It looked like a little rat or something. And all of a sudden, here comes an owl, just comes to swoop down and get it right in front of my truck. I think it hit the same spot of the grill too, and that's why it busted in like that. Damn, I need to get a brush guard. I need one of those. Because birds love the front of my vehicle. Big birds. That's the next step. You know, I done hit a big old owl and a chicken now. Man.
Yeah, I've hit owls before, especially after the rain. They go after the frogs and stuff.
Oh, there's a chicken. The chicken's in my grill. Oh my God.
Probably alive.
It's right there. It's in there. How do you get that out?
Pull your grill out.
Oh my.
Holy cow.
I didn't expect to start the day like this.
Watermelon pond, baby. Watermelon pond.
Jeez. Can't make this stuff up. What the hell? Keep your chickens in the yard, man.
Y'all, you just kept one right there, huh? Because that's all one piece. That's all this is looking at.
Yeah, you'd have to take a whole bunch of stuff apart.
Yep. Yeah. Come on. I don't know if you even see them. Even them. You said it. Guess what? Hey, Rooster!
Oh my God.
Hi, Rooster.
No.
This is awesome, baby.
Oh, what the?
Oh, yeah.
What do we do now?
Yeah, Rooster.
Okay. Damn. Can't believe this. This is insane. Well, I mean, if he ain't dead yet, he's gonna be dead probably.
Nah, he may live to be an old chicken. He's up cracked down a little bit. I ain't crying from here, man.
Sure.
I won't hurt him. Come on, buddy. Come on.
Probably wedged down there.
Go, chicken. Go. Come on. Go on, buddy. Yeah. Go on, chicken. There you go. Yeah. There you go. Chicken away. Stay out of my truck.
Oh man, so I gotta stay out of my truck. Thanks guys, thanks for putting your chicken out in the road. That's awesome. Just finished off what the owl started. Oh my
That's back there. He can go join the Sandhill Cranes.
This is ridiculous.
Watermelon pie. Yeah, he's gonna be fine, Stephen. He's gonna be fine.
He got lucky that the owl hit my grill in that same spot before.
You're right.
Because it already had a crack there, so he just jumped up right into the plastic and got lucky. I need a brush guard.
There's gotta be some kind of quote for the out of this. Gotta be some kind of quote you can come up with.
All right, guys, we're out here. Appreciate you for checking out the video and everything. We got skunk today. It's watermelon pond. It's hard to fish, so they're jumping around all over the place. Seen some really good ones swimming around, but can't catch them. They don't like eating, I guess. I don't know. So
Guess it's just a day for chicken.
yeah, right. Well, wherever that thing done ran off to. Oh yeah, that was wild. But catch you next time. Wake up and rage. Appreciate you. All right, peace.